Hi, I'm Dan from SILT MTB and today I'm going to show you how to install our new 54-tooth floating ratchet disc system. The 54-tooth conversion kit is designed to give riders faster engagement. To follow along with this tutorial, you will need one 17mm cone spanner, an axle slot tool. If you don't have this, a 3mm Allen key can be used instead, one grease, a ratchet tool and a ratchet spline tool, and finally your 54-tooth conversion kit. Firstly, remove the non-drive end cap like so. With your slot holding tool or 3mm Allen key, hold the axle in place while turning the hub anti-clockwise to remove the drive side end cap. Remove the free hub body along with its sleeve. This will open up the hub's internals. Next, grab your ratchet tool. You may need a vise for this, but we have already pre-loosened the hub. Install the tool and rotate anti-clockwise to remove your ratchet ring. Next, open up your 54-tooth conversion kit. Once opened, you will receive two 54-tooth ratchets, a coil spring, an internal ratchet ring and a leaf spring. Firstly, apply a liberal amount of grease to the threads on the internal ratchet ring. Then insert your ratchet spline tool into the ridges of our internal ratchet ring. This is then used to retrofit our internal ratchet ring back into your SILT hub. Ensure you rotate the threads clockwise. Then with a vise or any other tool, tighten up the ratchet ring. Next, insert the coil spring with the wider end facing towards the hub shell. Then add a small amount of grease to your 54-tooth ratchet. Install your first ratchet to the drive side of the hub. Also install the free hub spacer to the axle. Then install your second ratchet into the hub. Before installing your free hub body to the hub shell, place the leaf spring back inside the free hub body, with the spring facing outwards. Then proceed to slide your free hub body back into the hub. You may need to hold the free hub body while reinstalling the end cap. And that's it. Your SILT hub has now been converted to a 54-tooth floating ratchet system. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to SILT MTB for more tech tutorials in the future.